I don't think a lot of people realize what our participants have to do and how much supervision and accountability there is, and how successful it is and how well they do. Like I said, they go to 3 groups per week. They have to attend initially 2 outside meetings a week. They have individual counseling sessions. They call in daily for a drug test. They have to have a full-time job or be a full-time student. They also are required to do volunteer hours while they're in our program because the community does so much for us. We make them pay it forward. They have to pay fines and fees. They go to probation a lot. If they have mental health that they need services for, then we'll require them to go to that. Our program now, and this is kind of tying it back to the differences in Judge Gunn and ours now, is we have so many more resources available to us, and I think we've learned a lot more. Judge Gunn was sent a lot of first offenders because that's what they thought drug court should be about, and we don't get very many first offenders anymore. I'm not saying we never get them, but it's people that have significant severe addictions, and the opiate crisis wasn't going on back then, with people overdosing, and we now use what's called medically assisted treatment to help people get off opiates and help with alcohol, which wasn't around back then. We also, Chad Mason was the one who kind of started the work aspect of the program. I mean, it was always required that you had to work, but we never had anyone in our program that helped people find jobs. And so Chad Mason was the one who was able to get with the sheriff and to get that going. So I like to think that I have continued to build, each one of us has, on where it started and continue to make it better. And my thoughts are is that it's never as good as it can be. It can always be better. And so I'm constantly looking at ways to try to make our program better, to help our participants, and to continue to lower the recidivism rate.